Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is well. This isn't a typical Stacey Giant cleaning video. I am going into more details instead of the actual cleaning itself. So I'm going to be organising my drawers properly because I always declutter, I always organise, and it always ends up a mess again. So I'm changing things around. I've brought a few containers, organisers. Let me get them. I got them from Amazon. And there's just one drawer that I'm going to use these for, but oh my god, this drawer, guys, since I got these drawers, it's been a mess. It's been an absolute mess. So I can't get comfortable. So I got a bunch of different sized containers to go in there, which is a bit annoying because they've wrapped them all individually. Like, why do people do that? I don't like that. It's unnecessary plastic use, but what can we do? Okay, so this is all the containers. I'm a bit annoyed that there's so many little ones over big ones, but I'm sure that was on the product picture anyway, so I probably should have checked that properly before I brought them. But yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these small ones. We've got 2 medium squares and then 2 larger rectangles. I think these 4 will be more use. Look how satisfying that is. Wow. I am cleaning as well, guys, don't worry. You know what, my room always seems a mess. It is, but I actually like just save the mess and don't mind if it gets messy because then I can film videos. So this is a drawer I'm talking about. If you're wondering what is shit about, this is it. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Hopefully it looks so much better with the containers, but only time will tell. So yeah, but I've got a new few products as well which are cluttering it even more, so that's what motivated me to like actually sort it out properly instead of just cleaning it up and then it getting like this after like a few weeks. I think what I'm going to do firstly is just empty it and put it into sections, so a hair section, a body care section, that kind of thing. So let's do that. Get it out of the way.
And remember, for every dark night, there is a brighter day ahead.
Okay, so I've got a few sections. We've got miscellaneous section, a body care, a perfume section, a hair care, a face care, and a miscellaneous body, like self-care stuff. I'm just going to clean this drawer out, make it actually look presentable. Look, it's actually broke. I put so many products in it, it's actually broke the back and I keep having to push it in. And then these are all stains that I can't get out. It's disgusting and I'm really embarrassed. I'm so happy with this. I can actually see where everything is now, which is a blessing. So in this one, this is body care, and so is all this. So these are just like, this is like a body scrub thing. Those are exfoliating gloves, and this is like a little headband for like skincare. So here we have hair care, skincare, miscellaneous, perfumes, that kind of stuff. This one's all hair care. This is the new thing I brought. This is skincare here. So these are 2 samples I got from Lush. I am completely obsessed. This looks so much better. I can't get over it. Then over here by the mirror, I always wanted a reason for this lid. That's actually a lid to an Easter egg from Hotel Chocolate. But it was so pretty. Like, the whole container was so pretty. So I had to keep the lid. And I do everything in the mirror anyway, so it's annoying going to my drawer and then coming back and going to my drawer again and coming back. So I'm going to put all my skincare that I use daily and nightly over here. Think smarter, not harder. Okay, I just switched it round slightly, but here it all is. It fits absolutely perfectly in here. So I've got my cleanser, my moisturiser, my tea tree water, vitalising eye roll, my mascara and the curler hiding behind there, vitamin C face serum, my lip plump for the day and the lip plump for the night, and then this is also for the night, grease lightening from Lush. That was really loud, sorry. But yeah, I love it. It's such a cute little setup right by my mirror. Ignore my room. I'm sorting it, guys. I'm sorting it. And now I'm going to focus on sorting out my more littler drawers. So this originally had all my skincare in it, but it was taking up too much room. And obviously, like I said, it was annoying me going back and forth to the mirror. So I've took a bunch of that out now so I can actually organise it properly. So I've got like bubbles and accessories and stuff like that instead in here now. All my hand gels, lip balms. Now this one, oh hi. That one's all done. So this is just books that aren't on display. My Switch, my Instax printer, and my journal and some notebooks at the bottom. Now I just want to go through all my drawers, all my wardrobe and everything, and sort it out, get rid of clothes for the 50,000th time since living in this house, and sort the drawers out, because I usually do like a rolling method like this one, but I gave it up apparently. But I really like the folding method. It really looks neat and you can actually see things in there. So I'm going to get to it. I think I'm just going to donate it all to charity this time. Sometimes I put it on Vinted, but I just can't be bothered. that's all I'm going to do for my room today. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've been doing this all day. I don't know how it's taken me all day. But I haven't ate properly today, so I'm going to go get a Chinese takeaway and I'll be back tomorrow to finish it. It's the next day now. We've been to IKEA and I've decided while I was there, I'm bored of these yellow boxes. And also they're really broke. They used to have like gold things on them and they broke off and they're all ripping and they're really like, they've stretched out and stuff. It's time for an upgrade. Like my room's like my sanctuary, so I need to love it. So I got some wicker baskets because these aren't going to stretch out like these have. You see the sides? They're a bit smaller I think, but I want to sort those out and get rid of a bunch of stuff anyway. So yeah. And then I'm sure every Pinterest that girl has one of these from IKEA. I already have one. I really wanted real ivy, but I can't look after plants very well. You know, I thought it'd look a bit plain with just those up there and nothing else. So I brought these to go up on the top as well. So exciting. I really like this, to be fair. It feels really airy in here now. I feel like I've got more room somehow, and I don't know why. It must be the boxes, but like I don't know how it's making me feel like it's creating more room, because it's not. It's just up there. I don't know. I love them. Sorted and organised now. It only took me 3 days. Hopefully I can keep it this organised from now on, because I really love it. So tidy and organised. I just feel like my life is completely organised when my room is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.